Google Images dash Microsoft Edge dash Profile.
Hi, Dr. Robinson here, and I am in Edge, and I am using JAWS, and I am in google.com/images, and I'm going to show you how to find images using a screen reader. I am a animal lover, so I'm going to go ahead and type in yellow lab, and of course, Google automatically populates so many other options. Whoops, how about I spell that correctly? Yeah, law will get me a whole lot of things I don't want. Anyway, I could down arrow and find all sorts of other options. Let's go ahead and just down arrow listen.
Yellow lab puppies.
Oh yeah, how about that? Let's go ahead and hit enter on one.
Page. Reported appropriate predictions. Reported appropriate predictions button to activate presenter. Loading complete. Page has 3 regions, 2 headings, 118 links. Yellow lab puppies dash Google search banner GS search region search edit combo. Yellow lab puppies GS search region ends of label 0 button menu. Google X button to lab.
Okay.
Button,
as soon as I get past my search end or my region end of that issue or of that area, I know I can go ahead and move on to my other elements, and I'm going to use G for graphic. Typically, I do a Control+ to enlarge my page to about 125 to make sure my cursor can actually see my images, but this has worked at other levels based on the update of your computer. So I'm going to kind of take you through, based on the updates of your computer, how this is going to work. G is for graphics, so let's go ahead and G, and typically there's going to be ads in your page, so move past the ads.
Graphic. Ads.
There's your ads.
Yellow Labrador Retriever puppies for sale. Vertical bar puppy.
Okay. We're going to hit our applications key. We're going to down arrow, and we're going to look for save image as. Here we go.
Applications menu. Yellow Labrador Retriever puppy. EasternEquities.com.
Okay. Now, if you don't hear open link, or if you haven't popped on that, I'm going to tell you to escape again and do it one more time.
Escape. Applications, context menu, web context as pop-up modal, W, open link, new.
And you heard it. And then you're going to look for save image as. If you don't find it, then this is not the best picture to look for. You're going to go to the next picture.
Open link, send link, save link, copy link, activate, share.
Okay. No, it's not. I've already moved past it. I'm going to hit
escape.
G for the next graphic.
Applications
key, down arrow. There you go. And so you're always going to look for that save image as. Some of them flawlessly get there. There are tricks to actually get to every single picture, but if you don't want to use any tricks and you just want them straightforward, this is how you do straightforward. You hit enter, you get on your dialog box.
Save as dialog. File name, edit combo, download retriever puppies for sale.
Let's go ahead and put pup2 and Alt-D to make sure you're in your pictures. I am. If you weren't, you could PIC down to pictures, but it's all good. So I can just hit enter, Alt-S, and done. Okay, a lot of, often when I come back to the page, it pops me back to the top of the page, so I gotta listen. It did not. There we go. And it tells me I'm on my graphic, applications key. Down. Sure enough, there's my save image as. So I can continuously go through and actually keep finding all these beautiful images of all these incredible little puppies. And of course, you can, do black lab and find all your black labs also. So be very specific in your searches, and then of course, just have a lot of fun. And those are the tricks to actually how you find images using a screen reader. Okay, go have fun.